Tired of dealing with painful waxing sessions or razors that leave your skin irritated? Don't worry today, I've got something way better. In this video, I'll be sharing the 5 best epilators for women on Amazon that make hair removal smoother, easier, and long-lasting. From budget-friendly options to premium picks, I'll break down what truly works along with the real pros and cons of each. So if you're ready for silky smooth skin without the hassle, let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick is Braun IPL Silk Expert Pro. I loved how quickly it treats large areas. The built-in SensoAdapt skin tone sensor automatically adjusts for safety, which made me feel confident using it on legs and underarms. Its sleek design and storage pouch add to the premium feel. On the flip side, it's not cheap, so it requires a commitment to the schedule, weekly treatments initially, and works best on light to medium skin tones with darker hair. Results can be slower or less effective if your hair is very fine or very light. If you're after long-term hair reduction and willing to invest the time, this is a strong option. Number 2. My second best pick is Philips Epilator Series Shaver and Trimmer. The wet and dry design is a major plus. It worked very smoothly after a warm shower and felt gentle thanks to the 3-in-1 setup with shaver and trimmer attachments. The accessories, 8 included, add real flexibility for legs, bikini area, underarms, and face. Battery life and the ergonomic handle made grooming easier. On the downside, you'll still feel the usual epilator pull, especially in sensitive zones, so it isn't completely pain-free. Also, for very fine or light hairs, especially on the face, I found it didn't always grasp them cleanly. If you're after longer-lasting smoothness and are comfortable with root hair removal, it's a strong option. Number 3. My third best pick is Remington's Smooth and Silky Electric Shaver. I appreciated how easily this shaver glided over my legs and underarms. The 4-blade foil system felt gentle, and the almond oil strip added a satisfying smooth finish. The wet-dry design meant I could use it in the shower without tugging the hair, and the bikini trimmer attachment came in handy for precise touch-ups. On the downside, it didn't always give a super ultra-close shave compared to manual razor blades, so I found myself going over some spots twice. If you want something convenient and irritation-friendly for everyday use, this one is a solid choice. But if you demand the closest possible shave every time, you might want to check one tier up. Number 4. My fourth best pick is Voyeur Electric Shaver for Women. One of the biggest wins is its versatility. Whether it's the legs, bikini line, face, or underarms, the multiple attachments in this cordless, rechargeable kit handled it all smoothly. The waterproof design is a huge plus, making it easy to use in the shower and rinse out afterwards. I also liked that the motor felt gently effective with fewer nicks or irritation than a typical manual razor, in my experience. On the downside, while it does a good job for light to moderate regrowth, I found it didn't cut as extremely close as a full foil razor or blade in some areas. So if you're after ultra-close, baby smooth finish, you might need another pass. Overall, if you want an all-in-one travel-friendly grooming solution at a decent price, this Voyeur kit is a solid choice. But if your priority is ultra-close precision shaving, it may fall just short. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick is MJoy EpiSlim Epilator. I found it impressively compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to stash in a bag for quick touch-ups. Its battery-powered design means no cords, which is convenient. It handles smaller zones like upper lip, underarms, or bikini line fairly well, giving a smoother finish than day-to-day shaving. On the flip side, it's not ideal for larger areas like full legs or thick, coarse hair. Expect slower progress and maybe some missed patches. Also, as with most epilators, there is an initial tingling or pinching sensation which might take a couple of uses to get comfortable with. If you're looking for a portable go-to for minor zones, it's a solid choice, but for full-body or ultra-coarse hair removal, you might want a more powerful model. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite epilator for women? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.